Nina is a global sales channel strategist who works at a home goods and furnishings retail business. In this story, she will lead the team to level set and execute strategies to maximize their product sales revenue and sustain a competitive advantage in the market. Let's get started. She decided to try the Visible Systems Advantage project portal. Now, she is ready to meet with John, a business analyst, and Zach, an enterprise architect, to further discuss the project.
The objective is to create a consumer market segment based on specific characteristics, such as changes in lifestyle and discretionary purchase power.
Using planning statements in the Visible Advantage project platform, John is able to level set the project strategy, including its goals, objectives, and KPIs. Zach immediately receives these updates to the project since Visible's Advantage project portal is a virtual workspace where team members can view and discuss all aspects of a project. Based on the planning statements, Zach chooses to view the project architecture based on the Zach-Men framework so everyone is able to quickly view all of the artifacts relative to the project. Alex, a data modeler, and Nikki, a system analyst, begin to conceptualize the data, workflows, and processes that are necessary to execute the project's strategy.
Hi Nova, I saw your notes on the discussion post. Would you like to elaborate on the criteria for promotional products?
Of course. So for promotional products, the criteria are: first, the products have remained in inventory for more than 8 months. Secondly, the product sales did not meet our projected numbers for the last quarter.
Awesome, I will add those business rules and you may see the changes on the portal.
Having completed the initial draft of the project architecture, Zach publishes the project to the web portal where all of the project members are able to view, annotate, and post discussions. Nova, a business analyst, notices a few business rules that need refinement and makes a note on the discussion board. He believes they need to set up a few business rules whereby the retail products need to meet certain criteria before they can qualify as promotional products, and decides to further elaborate his thoughts in a meeting with Alex. Nina saw that all the changes are noted in the project portal as well as project history, so there is full traceability of any changes that are made to the project's goals, objectives, strategy, business rules, data, and process models. Using Visible's proprietary mapping algorithm, the project conceptual models are mapped instantly to situational data, derived from both internal and external data sources.
Nina, how can I leverage this portal for the shipping department?
You can easily query the impact of shipping costs on customer purchases and determine shipping cost accordingly.
That's awesome. I will look today. I'm sure it will help me to make a more informed decision.
Nikki furnishes the connection data to executives and stakeholders, all of whom are using a visual query builder to find insights across disparate and distributed data. Nina is impressed by the project team's work and how much they're able to achieve using Visible Advantage. Nina is excited to share the insights from the portal and schedules a meeting with Paul, who is in charge of marketing campaigns, and Steve in the shipping. As more information has been collected at the point of purchase, Visible Advantage is able to provide near real-time insights. Referring to this as just-in-time management, Nina has come to see the value of querying data in near real time and aggregating data across distributed and disparate data sources. Now she can discover data beyond the well-prescribed data typically found in her company. Having been able to level set project strategy, track whether the strategy is meeting the project goals and objectives, and easily query data across distributed data sources, Nina begins to brainstorm her next project using Visible Advantage.